Moisture Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. They're both ideal for hair that's weakened, damaged, colored, or highlighted. Like all moroccanoil shampoos and conditioners, the Moisture Repair line is free of sulfates, phosphates, and parabens. Both products are safe on hair that's been color treated. Because Moisture Repair Shampoo uses a highly concentrated water-loving formula, begin by using plenty of water to activate the shampoo into a rich, luxurious lather. Feel free to add more water if necessary. Rinse until the water runs clear. After shampooing, gently squeeze out excess water. Apply a small amount of the highly concentrated Moisture Repair Conditioner from roots to ends. Leave in for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse well. Both Moisture Repair Shampoo and Conditioner are keratin enriched. They gently cleanse and detangle hair while repairing, nourishing, and improving elasticity.